Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. Blocking or cancelling the EGR valve with a metal sheet, can it be damaged? Something. The turbo, or other engine components? Let's see. I made a video about the fact that cancelling the EGR valve is illegal, but I'm not judging anyone. If you're going to put a plate, nothing is going to happen to the engine. The turbo is not going to break. The engine is not going to be damaged. The only thing that will happen if it is cancelled is that it will get a little more contaminated, but if you are going to put a plate, you have to put it a sheet that is at least 2 mm thick. And if possible, made of steel, because we have had clients who have put thinner sheets. Some of them aluminum, and with the pressure of the gases and the temperature, they have deformed. And they have ended up entering the intake and have reached the cylinder, and in the end, they have seriously damaged the engines. Therefore, if you are going to put a sheet, as I say, it must be made of steel. And that it is 2 mm thick, but I also say that it is illegal. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.